Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Venmo debit card account balance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Venmo debit card account balance, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in using your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, locate the Manage Balance section on your home screen. Tap on Manage Balance to view your current available balance. Next, select the option to Transfer to Bank. You'll now see your current Venmo balance and linked bank accounts. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Venmo account. Choose the bank account where you want to send the money. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so by following the app's prompts. After selecting your bank account, choose your transfer speed. You can select instant transfer for a small fee or standard transfer, which is free but may take up to 3 business days. Once you've made your selection, tap Transfer to confirm your withdrawal. You may be asked to verify your identity through biometric methods or by entering a code. After completing the verification, your transfer request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the funds have been deposited. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn from your Venmo debit card account balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.